Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Nelson here. This video is a bonus video from our series. Now guys, I know learning a new skill like WordPress can be costly in terms of buying a hosting and a domain. But we are in luck because with a platform like TasteWP, we get a free domain and hosting space to learn and test our skill. Yes guys, so without further ado, let's dive in and see how. Firstly, visit tastewp.com. If you already have an account, log in. If not, click on sign up. For this demonstration, I will show you the sign up process. Enter your username, email, password, and confirm the password. Then check the box to agree to terms and click register. You will receive an email confirmation. Once you confirm your email, return to the website and log in. You can either log in directly from the email or through the login page. In my case, I'll log in here to show you how. Now you are in the TasteWP dashboard where you can create a website. The only button or option you need to focus on is the create website. Click it and select the WordPress version and also the PHP version. Leave the advanced WP config the way they are, and I suggest you uncheck all the pre-installed plugins and themes. For the custom site name, you can add something simple. If left blank, this will give you any name. Once ready, click create temporary site. Afterwards, your credentials will be displayed, including the site name, URL, username, and password. Click on access now and you'll be moved to your WordPress dashboard. That's it guys, your site is ready and you can use it to test features or build your skill. To access the site again, log into your TasteWP dashboard, go to Actions and click Login Site. Note that temporary sites are deleted after 7 days, so ensure you complete your practice within this time frame. Lastly, if you want a non-expiring website, you need to invite others to register using your referral link, which grants you affiliation credits. Welcome back guys. So this is the end of this video. In this video we covered TasteWP and how it works. So without further ado, let's continue our series.